Okay, here we got Stridor. Check out my Stridor. This is a vintage Stridor. And this is a historic armored war horse. This is actually I didn't have the vintage helmet, so this is actually from the origins. This helmet is from the origins. You know, it comes with two, so I just jacked this one, to be honest with you. So I put it on there. It fit, so that's where it went. But, that's my Stridor. And check them out. It look good. For it to be as old as it is, it looks real good. So everything still works. Everything still works. Check it out. Everything on it still works. Only thing it was missing was that. That's my Stridor. It looks good. And I got one more vehicle for y'all. And here we go.